Mjadala mkubwa ambayo inaendelea Kenya saa hizi kuhusu mambo ya formula ya ugavi wa pesa za county. Kwa sababu serikali sasa imetoa pesa zaidi. Juzi Mheshimiwa Rais ametangaza. Mimi nataka niulize senators wetu waketi chini sasa, kwa sababu serikali kupitia kwa rais imetoa nyongeza ya pesa, wakubaliane, watafute njia ambayo kila county itashughulikiwa, tuendelee kutafuta, na naamini tutapata formula ya win-win. Kila sehemu ya Kenya iweze kufaidika. Therefore, I want to ask the Senate, now that the government of Kenya have released additional resources, the Senate must move with speed to ensure that they formulate an agreed formula on the basis of win-win, so that we can get over this stalemate and move the country forward. And I want to ask the counties, and I want to ask the Council of Governors, shutting down counties is not a solution. And it's not a simple matter. The shouting match between governors and senators is unnecessary, because the Supreme Court has already given directions. I want to urge the Council of Governors to sit down with the Treasury as guided by the ruling of the Supreme Court, agree on how they are going to receive 50% of the allocation as is provided for, as they wait for the formula to be agreed upon. No county should be shut down, because there is a way they can receive resources to make sure that counties are moving forward, so that we don't shut down our hospitals, we don't shut down our counties, because counties are an integral and an important part of moving our country forward and ensuring that the country is developed equally in every part of Kenya.